Welcome. In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch we need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until we see the Redmi logo on the screen. So keep holding the button. It takes about 10 seconds, I would say. And once you see the Redmi logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.